Okay, now today we are digging deep into my kitchen arsenal and I'm sharing with you my absolute all-time go-to, done in under 30 minutes if you need it to be, roll recipe. Okay, now these rolls are my all-time favorite. In fact, I use this dough for pretty much everything. I use it as rolls, of course, cinnamon rolls or sweetbread rolls. I use it in breadsticks, homemade pizza. I even make my own freezer dough with it. I use it all the time. And when you can make it as quickly as in under 30 minutes, it's gonna be a total game changer. Now, of course, we're also gonna use a little bit of food storage in it. So what I like to do is it calls for 1 egg. I always use egg powder. And here's your tip. If you're going to be using powdered eggs in something like bread making, you don't add any extra water to it. Just go ahead and add in your dry egg powder. Number 2, I always use a little bit of whole wheat. So in this recipe, I use 1/3 whole wheat and 2/3 bread flour. Now, if you haven't already, bread flour is amazing and it makes all of your bread have a much better texture and gives it that kind of chewy, like melt in your mouth kind of texture. It's really awesome. I get mine bulk at Costco, but you can find it in other places as well. Now, if you haven't yet, make sure you give this a like and subscribe below, and let's get started on these rolls. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If those rolls looked amazing to you, make sure you give this video a quick like and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss another single recipe or another food storage cooking tip. If you want the full recipe, make sure you visit storethisnotthat.com/everydayfoodstorage and make sure to leave me a quick comment below. Let me know what your favorite way is to use bread dough.